I'm going to talk with you guys a little bit about a social media app that I use occasionally with my students. It's the Twitter app. Some of you may be familiar with that, may have your own account and use it frequently. Uh, what you would do is go to here, sign up Twitter if you were interested in creating your own Twitter account. I already have mine, so I'm logged in up here. I'll just close that out. So here is what my homepage looks like. Up here on the left, here's my profile picture and then my just like a cover photo for me, and shows the number of tweets I have, who I'm following, and my followers. So you can go here, and then it'll bring up everybody that I'm following. You can go here. Here's my followers, people that are following me. Not very many. Again, I use this occasionally in school with my students. And then I tweet a bunch about during baseball season in the summer. So anyway, so here's the homepage. This just these are tweets that people that I'm following that they have tweeted out. We're having a bad storm here in the area, so a lot of people are tweeting about that. I'm getting a lot of weather updates today, and so this is just some instant information that comes out when people just randomly tweet. I have my notification. You can set your notifications up to let you know when people are tweeting. I do that usually during the school year. I don't necessarily, I shut them off in the summer because I don't want to get notifications constantly in the summertime. So let's see. Okay, here's Home tab. We'll go to my profile. And here's what that looks like. Again, my profile picture. Here's my husband and two boys and my cover photo. And then this is just, these are my tweets. These are my retweets. Anything that I put out there on Twitter is linked to my profile here. A lot of it, as you see, I'm scrolling a lot of baseball. I love baseball, I love summertime. Here today, I just tweeted, baseball season has ended, trying to figure out what to do with my weekend. And then a little Sandlot picture here. Then you look and you can see one person has liked my tweet. This here is for retweeting. So if anybody liked it and they wanted to retweet it so it showed up on their feed, they could do that and they could comment on it. If you select your tweet, then it just pops up. You scroll down. Again, you can see here, my friend Carrie liked my tweet. And down here, Sarah Smith, she replied, "Come watch me and some other West people." So she's a former student as well as a former softball player of mine. So she's still active this summer with softball. So she said I can come watch them play, which is great. I might do that. So again, this is just my personal page. What I use Twitter for during the school year is extra credit mostly. I don't really post assignments on there. Sometimes if I'm having a guest speaker, I might tweet out there, don't forget a guest speaker. If we're going on a field trip, I'll just tweet out real quick, don't forget field trip tomorrow, time and location we're meeting at and whatnot. But not everybody has a Twitter account, so I can't rely solely on this. But then those students who have a Twitter account are on here constantly, so I know they're going to see it. Something fun I use it for every year, the night before my birthday, I'll tweet out there, tomorrow's my birthday, extra credit for any student bringing me a treat, which I can almost guarantee the next day I'll get at least a couple of treats. So that's just kind of fun. So, and then, other students are like, how did you know it was her birthday? Well, I follow her on Twitter, and then sometimes they'll log on and follow me if they're not already. Another thing I'll use this for is during market day. I've talked briefly about that in some other assignments in the past couple of weeks. So some of you have commented on market day and how it sounds fun. It is a lot of fun. We take a field trip to Sam's to grocery shop, and I'll challenge students to tweet out there and to YE Central, which is Youth Entrepreneurs Central Region, tweet at them pictures to show them what we're doing. So it's really what I use this for is just for fun, extra credit randomly. So I don't use it a lot during the school year, maybe once a month. And then again, I like to follow my students, and it's fun when they follow me and like my posts and whatnot. So again, Twitter app is free, and I just use it for extra credit when I'm using it with my students. So enjoy.